What up, what up, what up? I've been doing a little work today on the sink cab. Finna go ahead and take these manifolds off and get ready. So I bought me some headers for this mud, so we're gonna get these manifolds off. I already broke a couple of the bolts loose, so hopefully we don't break none. Let's get to it. Alright, this is the driver's side. You need to get your wires out first. Don't worry about my valve cover being off. It was dirty. I got OCD, so I pulled it off. I'm about to go and paint it and get it looking better, because that crap just was bothering me. It was looking a freaking mess. So get your wires off and go and crack your bolts. Don't break them. I don't know if that bolt at the very back broke already or just missing. I don't freaking know. But I'm about to pull it off, and I know once I get it out the way, I better see if it broke off or whatever. But get your wires off and then start on your bolts. All right, as y'all can see, I got all these bolts out. So I recommend y'all put some WD-40 or something on this stuff, especially if y'all got a northern truck. This is a southern truck, so I ain't have to do all that. But however, that bolt back there in the back, the head broke off that mud. I ain't even touch it. So, and it's like that on the other side too. So I don't know how that happened. But I'm gonna get down here, take the rest of this crap out. But these bolts are 13 millimeter. Got a quick wrench, and I got a ratchet, so it ain't real hard. This pretty easy side, or it ain't really nothing over here. So I guess it ain't that bad so far. So I'm about to get in here, drop the rest of that crap off. I'll probably loosen up. Now I'm about to go ahead and finish this side. Get in there, drop the rest of this crap off, and let y'all know what bolts and stuff and what size that take. I'm probably gonna have to cut it too. Probably gonna cut them cats or something off. I don't know, but we'll see if we can get in there. Alright, we got all that crap. See that cut? I'll show y'all. Went ahead to cut this side. The other side cut as well. You really can cut it behind the O2, in front of it, don't matter. But you gonna still keep your rear O2s. You just not gonna have your front O2s. And I got a reciprocating saw. You can cut it with a cutoff wheel, damn chainsaw, I don't care. You just gotta cut it. So whatever you cut it with, be careful. Put some gloves on, some eyewear or something. Don't tear yourself up under your truck. I think the reciprocating saw is easier, but you know, just be careful when you cutting up under the truck. So that was it. We got this mud decently clean. All we gotta do is go back with the headers, nan this up. Probably gonna put some new spark plugs here while I made it too, but clean that crap up. Clean this. I only broke one little spark plug wire, so I don't know if I already told y'all that, but I broke one spark plug wire. I broke this dang on cap too. I broke the little neck that be on the cap, so I'm just gonna go. You can really take it apart and just go with the cap, so that's what I'm gonna do. They're gonna go with the cap. Actually look better to me. As y'all can see, I got these muds in here. The bolt on the back, I tried to get it out. I got it halfway out, and for some reason it just broke. I was getting it out with some grip pliers. I really didn't have an issue. I twisted out my hand, it just broke. So, if it's leaking too bad, I address it, but other than that, I don't even care. This side, I was touching up some paints I had, you know, knock some paint off, put them in there or whatever. You do have to jack the truck up and put them in there from the bottom. Don't try to do it from the top. You're gonna scratch them up and all type of crap. You're still gonna scratch them up probably a little bit, put them in from the bottom, but it is what it is. Same thing for this side, that bolt missing. Unfortunate, but man, it is what it is. If it's leaking bad, I address it, but other than that, I'm gonna let it ride. But it's pretty terrible. I ain't even gonna cap y'all down. It ain't that bad. No, I'm just playing. It ain't that bad, but it is time consuming. I've been working on this crap for a couple days. Honestly, I work super slow. That's why I don't work on other people's stuff. I come out here, put a couple bolts in, or do something, get started, get halfway done on one side, go in the house and come back to it next day. I don't really care to be rushing. So I ain't no big rush to do this crap. Truck ain't bothering me. It is what it is. But this pretty much it. I'll get y'all some clips when I get it all back together. Oh, I broke some spark plugs too. Yeah. The headers hit it and broke the chips off. So I gotta get some spark plugs. I gotta get a wire. I want a route from Velocity. So they gonna give me some wires, MFD wires for free. So I'm just waiting. Once I get my MFD wires, I'll go grab me some spark plugs and throw them in here, and that'll be pretty much it. I'll give y'all a little startup video, open headers. Let y'all know what this thing hitting like, but it ain't that bad. Don't pay nobody to do it unless you just got it like that. Cause if they gonna break it, you gonna break it. It is what it is. Or if you gonna break it, they gonna break it. Most of the time, not all the time. But something like this, it ain't that bad. So give it a try. There it is. Keep talking, boy. On everything, keep talking.